Hello! Today, let's take a look at the largest camera in our Cisco Meraki MV portfolio, the MV84X. It's a multi-imager device that houses 4 separate cameras all built into a single body. Kind of reminds me of a Star Wars character, you know? Picture this. You're responsible for grocery store operations with busy intersections between aisles. You'd want visibility in all directions, right? Hanging multiple cameras to cover the entire area is a ton of effort. More hardware, more cables, more installation, but with the MV84X, you can cover it all with one device. Let's open this big guy up. Each of the 4 imagers on the 84X can focus on a specific area with adjustable fields of view ranging from 43 degrees to 94 degrees. Now you have total coverage with no blind spots. Now, let's address a common question. Won't a cloud-based camera strain my bandwidth? Not with the MV84X. Video processing and AI inference happen directly on the camera itself. This reduces bandwidth and ensures faster response. Additionally, the camera stores video locally with an impressive 4 terabytes of onboard storage. The MV84X also delivers exceptional video quality. Each imager captures footage at 5 megapixel resolution for a total of 20 megapixels. And it doesn't stop there. This camera performs just as well in low light conditions thanks to its infrared illumination, which works up to 30 meters. So, whether it's day or night, the 84X ensures you'll always have clear visibility. We've put a ton of thought into every part of the design. Even setting it up is simple. Like our other MV cameras, the 84X uses power over Ethernet, and once it's installed, you can access the video directly through the dashboard. Mounting is easy and flexible, with everything you need right here. The Meraki MV84X multi-imager camera is a revolutionary addition to your physical security infrastructure. It simplifies deployment, reduces hardware cost, and makes incident resolution faster and easy with a streamlined AI-powered experience. To learn more about this awesome camera and the rest of our MV portfolio, visit cisco.com or reach out to your Cisco team. Until next time,